It's really important to us that we assist our customers in rolling out 5G around the world and monetizing it. This is a huge investment on behalf of our customers, and they really need to see how those returns can be generated. So we're supporting them with our service assurance applications and solutions to help optimize the performance of the network, to also ensure that the customer experience is optimized, and ultimately to allow them to generate new revenue through services and products that they're offering through 5G. So this is a really exciting point in time for customers, and we're really keen to ensure they're successful in the outcome. We're showcasing a range of new solutions and applications in the current year. I mean, some of the things we've been talking about in the last 12 months or so are the likes of our success with STC, where over in the Middle East, where we won a Telecom Review Award on innovation of new products and solutions. And effectively, on top of our applications, we offered a new AIOps solution that would enable them to support the service in mega events where there's lots of attendees. So we've got solutions, we've got applications, we're supporting customers throughout the world, from Asia, over in the Middle East and Africa, in Europe, and also in the US. So we're really excited to showcase with all our customers today. Yeah, it's a really exciting year ahead. I mean, it's really exciting because it's an exciting year for our customers. They're going through a huge transformation. The number of subscribers who are now connecting to 5G is around 1 billion, and by the end of this next year it will have gone up by another 500 million. And from a penetration perspective, that's around 17% of the market. So for us to continue to develop our AIOps capability, to improve and optimize the performance of the network, are some of the main things we'll be continuing to develop in partnership with technology partners such as AWS and others, and being at the leading edge of innovative products in the sector. Do you know what I most look forward to? I most look forward to meeting our customers, to hearing some of the problems that they're facing, to understanding a bit more around what they're trying to achieve and their objectives and outcomes, and then working collaboratively with them to develop solutions and applications that support them in that journey. So most of the time here is spent with customers, and it's a great opportunity because people come from throughout the world in one location. I think there's like 85,000 people here today. So, you know, I really enjoy the face-to-face contact and to support them in being successful, as well as the team. I mean, it's great to have the team over here and recognised for all the work that they've done.